And then we have Nancy. We have Nancy here. Y'all see how big my Nancy's getting? Look how big. Yeah, my Nancy. Nancy, wanna give a kiss? She likes giving me kisses, just so y'all know. She thoroughly enjoys kissing her mother. Isn't that right, Nancy? Nancy, you're not gonna give your mama no kiss. You're gonna embarrass me in front of all these people. Nancy, don't embarrass me in front of these people. Give me a kiss. Thank you, honey.
Let me see what this filter looks like.
But yes, Nancy wanted to say hi. She realized she hasn't spoken with you guys in a while. Ain't that right, Nancy? Yeah, Nancy wants to say hi. Nancy wants to say hi. See, she wants to say hi and give you a kiss. Oh, she's so sweet. Long time. Nancy, you want to give me a kiss? Okay. Nancy, do you want to give me a kiss? Hold on, Nancy gonna give y'all a kiss. Yeah, there she goes. Oh, that's... Hold on. Yeah, Oh, see? Nancy loves giving kiss. Did you want to give him another kiss? Oh, here's another kiss. Yeah, Because Nancy ain't seen y'all in a long time. So Nancy want to give y'all some kisses. You want to give another kiss? Okay, come on. Okay. Well, that's all the kisses. Give me a kiss now. Well, I hope you enjoyed your kisses. Okay. Because there are not plenty of more where that came from. These are exclusive kisses. Ain't they right?